Hey, good morning, it's Matt with 911R on Brake Trailer, Avant-Garde, and we have this basically brand new GT3 that's going to be in this morning. I just thought we'd just do a quick little camera walk around so you can see the overall condition of the car. That's perfect. It's brand new. It's 985 miles. This car was like a $260,000 window sticker, and so it's really highly equipped. In the racing yellow, makes the car really nice and stand out. You don't see as many of them. I think that. And my client actually looked real hard for yellow to get this car. But coming around, we got the anthracite painted monoblock center lock wheels with the PCB brakes, carbon fiber mirror caps. Let's open her up. Both keys, we got the color match key set up too. Lots of yellow accents on the car, stitching, the Race Tech insert carbon fiber bucket seats, and of course the highly coveted 6-speed manual transmission. Bose sound, just all the stuff, carbon fiber roof. This car is just really highly equipped. I can't find any flaws, marks, or paint chips on the whole car. We've gone around it extensively, and it's just really as clean as showroom as you can get one. Just kind of walk around and you just really kind of see the condition of the paint. And the car's never been tracked. It's barely even broke in. I was really thrilled with the drive quality of the car when I took it out. These cars are just, with the manual transmission, just light and nimble and feel fast, and just everything what a GT3 should be. No disappointments on this car, no flaws, no smoking, no nothing. So any questions, use a contact seller. We're happy to help with transportation or any other needs. Or if you're interested in having 911R sell your car, brand, trailer, hit us up on the contact seller button. Thank you very much.